guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Poppy, this is Mia.
Hi.
Our topic today is the New Zealand sea lion, which is called the hooked sea lion.
Are they endangered?
Yeah, their number is around 12,000, so they are endangered.
Where do they live?
I'm not sure, but I researched some information online. Yeah, they are living in Auckland and the Campbell's Island.
Are they big?
Yes, they are one of the largest animals in New Zealand.
What do they look like?
They have fake coat of the brown hair that become dark gray hair with the creamy mark on the top of the head, nose, tail, and the base of the flippers.
What do they eat?
You can take a guess.
Fish?
No, they are quite fair. They eat great white shark.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah, that's unbelievable. They look so cute, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's start it. Here's some material we need to get ready. So with one marker to draw the outline and some color marker. One light gray and one darker gray and one blue and one red. You don't have to use the same color as me, but here the color numbers belong. Let's start with the eyes first. Drawing two little circles as the sea lion's eyes. And a little V as the nose and a mouth. Okay, let's add in some details of the eyes. Drawing some small circles inside. Then color in. Yeah, that's good. Now we're drawing some short line around. Okay, let's draw a circle for the head. Curved line shape of the body. Yes, and the neck. Now we're adding the flippers, the front flippers. Another flippers behind. Perfect. Then connect with the line. That's so nice. And adding tones for the flippers. Just drawing 3 short lines. Now we finished the sea lion. And we can add in some details like the water under the sea lion. Just drawing those wave curve line. Yeah, and we can draw one more. That's nice. Mia, do you know what are the sea lion eating? They are eating the red white shark.
不是刚才已经说过了吗？
Sorry, 这段可以剪掉。
但是你可以说，你也可以
Yeah.
放一个 shark 在上边。
Yeah, you can draw a red white shark, but I prefer to draw a small fish for
Me
the
too.
sea lion. Okay.
画现在死了。
The face is dead. Okay, now we can adding some details on the water. Nice. Now we finish the outline. Let's color in with the light grade. We use the light grade marker to color in the whole body of the sea lion. It's better you do in one way, it's more smooth. Just trace the outline.
等一下，我们可以把东西画一下。我这个笔是坏了吗？我这边觉得没有 ink。
没事，就全部把它卡。你把这个笔头放直一点。
哦。
没有平下去。
对，你平下去。
你往后拿一点笔。
什么？
往后把笔往后拿一点，哎，对，这样就可以了。这样，往前一点点，往前一点点。好 ，OK， 这样就平了，对不对？嗯。Okay, now we can change to the darker grade with the fin side to draw some shadow under the head. You can draw the outline like that first, then color in. Okay, and the shadow of the bottom body. Yeah, that's nice. And the shadow of the front flipper. Good, and the shadow of the behind flipper. Perfect. Now we change to the blue marker. Use the fixed side to color in the water. 稍等一下，我把这张卡拿好，继续，接着画吧。
接着涂这个。
对，接着涂就好了。
Don't forget to color in those little drops. Okay, the last step, we're using the red color to draw two ovals under the eyes. Make the sea lions look cute. Yeah, that looks so cute. And color in the fish. Done. Okay, for the last step, we can add in some details of the body. Just drawing some randomly short line around the sea lion. Finally, we adding two whiskers for the sea lion. Now we are done. Okay, it's the final result of the day. Is it your first time to draw sea lion? Yeah.
Yes, it is.
How do you feel?
Not very good. It was very hard because I don't use markers a lot.
But that's amazing for the first time. They look so cute. I believe you can do it better for the next time. Thank you guys for watching our tutorial. If you have any question or anything you would like us to draw next time, please comment below.
Please subscribe to our channel and smash the like button. See you next time.
Bye!